Welcome to Redline Channel Automotive. The outside of the 2026 Kenworth T680 Motorhome will primarily rely on the particular body business doing the conversion. The Kenworth T680 is a popular heavy-duty truck that is used as a platform for luxury motorhome conversions. But we may talk about standard or optional features as well as common external aspects. The aerodynamic cab design of the T680 offers a mid-roof sleeper or a high roof. Because they provide additional internal room, high-roof cabins are popular for motorhome conversions. The T680 features a unique grille and a broad hood shape. These components may be kept or slightly altered by body businesses. In addition to halogen headlights with daytime running lights, the T680 provides a selection of contemporary and effective LED headlights. These lights' design will become a crucial component of the motorhome's outside appeal. A computerized mirror system, or traditional mirrors with an aerodynamic shape are the options. There will be improvements for comfort and integration with the living space, even if the T680's conventional dashboard and driver's seat could be kept. Replace them with seats that include heating and cooling, massaging capabilities, and more comfortable air suspension. Larger display with a high-end sound system, smartphone connection, and GPS navigation tailored to RVs. Bigger vehicles with the use of a camera system. Manage the motorhome's water tank levels, generator, hook, and lights. High-quality mattress, wardrobe, and storage space are features of a queen or even king-size bed. LED lighting system that may be adjusted to suit various modes. HVAC for maximum comfort. A dual-zone air conditioning and heating system is used. Cabinets, drawers, and lots of concealed storage space are examples of storage for travel necessities. The use of high-end materials like leather, hardwood or ceramic floors, real wood or premium veneer, and tasteful wall coverings. The Kenworth T680 is anticipated to come with a selection of diesel engines from prominent manufacturers for the 2026 model year. The power and torque ranges for the Cummins X15 Efficiency Series are 400 to 500 horsepower, 298 to 373 kilowatts, and 1,450 to 1,850 pounds FT, 1,966 to 2,508 Newton meters. Power and torque ranges for the Cummins X15 Performance Series are 525 to 565 horsepower, 391 to 421 kilowatts, and 1,850 to 2,050 pounds FT, 2,508 to 2,779 Newton meters, respectively. 430 to 605 horsepower, 321 to 451 kilowatts, and 1,650 to 2,050 pounds FT, 2,237 to 2,779 Newton meters are the power and torque ranges for the Cummins X15 Productivity Series. The Kenworth T680 is typically coupled to an automatic gearbox with 12 or more gears, most likely a Picard automated manual gearbox or an Eaton Endurance. There may also be a manual transmission option.